Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and effective way to disable background connections on Telegram. If you find that your phone's battery is draining faster than usual, this might just be the solution you need. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open up the Telegram app. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on those. This will open up a menu. Now, look for the option labeled Settings. Give it a tap. You're almost there. Next, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Notifications and Sounds. Tap on that option to continue. Now, this is an important step. Once you're in the Notifications and Sound section, scroll down a bit more until you see the Background Connection option. Here, you can easily turn it off. Simply tap the toggle switch to disable it. And that's it. You've successfully disabled background connections on Telegram. This simple adjustment can help conserve your battery life and improve your device's performance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.